Hi guys, my name is Rusiqa. Today I'm going to unbox the return gift. I gave them gift, they gave me return gift. Let's go and unbox fast. And yesterday I went to a party, that's why I gave them gift. They gave me a return gift. It was a birthday party. The girl was 3 years, that's why they gave. They was having many things and there was face paint and I did it, a butterfly one. You can check in. I will upload one more video, you can check it and see this. It was one activity, I made this. Nice now. Okay, let's unbox fast. See this, they have given garden princess watercolor. It is written in China, that's why I cannot read. If you know, please tell me. See this. There are 12 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 colors. Let's keep it. Let's move on to next. And they have given one pouch. It is dream pouch. Let's open it first. I'm going to make the video a short. That's why I'm doing a bit fast. Let's open it. You can see it. They have given one dream couch. And they have written here dream space dinosaur, and they have given some same dinosaur, but I don't care of dinosaurs. See, it's voice one, but I will not keep the difference of girls and boys. That's why. Okay, friends. Let's open this. What is this? Oh, this is lion panda. Wow, they have written something. I cannot understand this language. The 20 like this. They have given this. Oh, they have written something. Let's read out. Thank you for coming, Gianna. Oh, yesterday I went to the party 3 years ago, and her name was Gianna, and because of this I got this much gifts, and they have given one card. Oh, nice, something advertisement. Let's skip it. Let's move on to next. They have given one pad. Let's unbox it first. Oh, it's very hard to unbox. Wow, let's unbox it. And see this. It is, see, I can write everything. See, oh, sorry. I have scratched it, but it will never release because I have locked it. You can see here lock. Now we can erase it. Now I'm going to give one sum. If you can do, write in the comments first. Wait. 3 into 3 is equal to what? Tell me this answer fast. Run. I will give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write in the comments. And I will tell at the last what is the answer. That time you should write, subscribe, share. Fast. Okay? And this is all covers. I got it. I will pack afterwards. Oh, they have given like this chocolates 5. But my sister 8. Now I'm going to feed you plus me. I am going to taste it. They given 5. My sister ate, my father ate, my mother ate. Now I will eat and I will feed you. Means you should also eat, okay? I have listened that day. It is very delicious chocolate. They have given 5. 1 my sister ate, 1 my mother ate, 1 my father ate, and 2 my sister ate, and I'm eating 1. Okay. Eat fast. No, eat it. You bite? Now I will. So delicious. Do you want to bite? This I have bited. I will not feed you this. I will feed you this. Yeah, now I'm going to tell the answer. This answer. You wrote? This is the dictation of you. I will show you the answer. Oh, you can see it P, but it's 9. Now I can make 9. It's this. When I will write like this, it will look 9. When I will show you, it will look P. It is mirror effect. The answer is it's P. Sorry for you. I will write P now. You can see 9. Now the answer is please like, share, comments and tell me the answer and write your answer is correct. Your answer is correct or wrong. I love this. What do you like? Write in the comments again. I will write what I like. Wait for a second. If you cannot understand my handwriting, I will tell LCD writing tab